Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check software version on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Locate and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. The icon looks a gray gear. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select General. This section contains various settings related to your device. In the General settings, tap on About. This will open a page with detailed information about your iPhone. Look for the entry labeled Software Version. Here, you will see the current version of iOS that your iPhone is running. Example, iOS 18. While you are in the About section, you can also view other important information about your device, such as the model name, serial number, and available storage. If you want to make sure your iPhone is up to date, go back to the General menu in Settings and tap on Software Update. Your device will check for any available updates. If an update is found, you will have the option to download and install it. If an update is available, tap on Learn More to see details about what the update includes, such as new features, improvements, or bug fixes. And that is everything you need to know about how to check software version on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.